The original company of Xianyang Tonghui Forging Company Limited is established in 1993 in Xianyang City of China, which has 26,000 square meters area. The company engages in manufacturing of various forging parts for both automotive and non-automotive industry, such as flanges, cylinders, gear blank, roll-type shafts, die blocks, and sleeves. We have applied Pro-E and CAD to Technics, which ensures us having superior Technics development capacity. At present, the company has 150 workers and has more than 150 sets of production equipments, 15 forging production lines, and 3 heat treatment lines. In past several years, the annual capacity of the company will reach nearly 20,000 tons. We can freight our products to everywhere of the world expediently. The company has continuously implemented the standards and criterion of ISO 9001-2008 and tightly follows the standards of TS 16949 throughout the course, starting from product's development stage to service. In a word, in the aspect of quality assurance capability, our company can produce products of better quality by following customer-oriented quality management policy, as well as by employing raw material of superior quality, advanced inspection equipment, and skilled inspection staff. We sincerely invite domestic and overseas friends to contact us to create a brilliant future together.
We can provide all kinds of forging parts which meet your requirements. Quality is our culture. Welcome to visit us.